Hey guys, well, I'm back in my shop here, and currently working on my B-25 Mitchell World War II bomber by Altantis. Um, which funny to my surprise, I looked through my collection of kits, and I happened to find this kit also I had, which has a lot more working features. And I'm not sure how good the decals are. This is from 1979 or 80. And I might use different decals on it. And in other news, my first B-17 I was working on by Lindbergh didn't quite make it. So I ordered this one off of eBay, and I kept these decals. They look like they might fit this. So I might use these decals on that. They look like they might fit, so let me know, guys. But back to the first B-25 Mitchell. Um, Move this out of the way. Show you what I have done so far. I have the main fuselage and wings and engines just snapped on the covers there. I got to detail that, paint the crew, and I have the decals on it. Came out. Decals came out pretty good. I mean, they are. I'm doing the Flying Dragon version, not the Doolittle version. Did the green and gray at the same time. Well, did the gray first, then the green, then kind of touched up the the gray. So I'm really liking how this one's coming out. And just to show you that I did another one of these previously, uh, so this is one I did back in, I think it was December last year. This is the Revell Snap B-25 Mitchell. It's a beautiful kit, very low part count, easy to build. Comes with sticker decals and, or I should say, self-adhesive decals and water slide decals. This is the B-24 though. So, but similar plane, and I just thought I'd show you that to you guys sometime. You know, uh, some of my planes. All right, guys. Well, I'll leave you with this nice little cover art right here of the Ford Tri-Motor. And thanks for watching. Have a good day, guys. All right.